Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Oh, excuse me. I'm a fluid machine. Anyways, we got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook. This is a wonton main, a seafood one. It says, this is an interesting label because it mentions right here it has the number 4, which usually you would think a big prominent single digit number is going to be how long you cook it. Not in this one. It's a 3-minute because that's right down there. And it's 3 minutes, 410 mils of water. And this is a seafood, 4 different kinds of seafood in it. Wonton main. So, in collaboration with a prominent Japanese TV network. Sounds like fun to me. Let's do this. So, yes. So, put the noodle block in the water. We're gonna put the, it says wonton in it. I will have to say, when I've gone out and actually had ramen at a ramen-ya, one of my favorite ones was this chicken wonton yen that I had that was just like absolutely out of this world. I got that at Jinya. That's over in Bellevue, I think. Pretty sure it's in Bellevue. I don't know. I don't drive, so I just kind of sit there and go, oh, where are we? Every once in a while. And we'll give it a little flippity. And like is near. Alright. And so everything's going happy in there. Put this on top. And we're gonna do it for 3 minutos. So yeah, it's still that day. Wednesday, January 12th, 2022. Breaking news: Kayleigh McInerney talked to the talked to the January 6th Commission. That's news, I guess. Okay. And there's other news, more news, and other news, and it changes every day, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. But you know what you should do? You should go to the store and get some kamaboko. It's like this half moon shaped. It's like pink on the outside and lighter on the inside. It's fish cake, right? Well, it comes on these a lot of the time. We just call them affectionately kamaboko blocks. And if you're an apartment dweller or a place or live somewhere that's like, basically most living arrangements, people live in caves, like really nice rectangular caves. Anyways, so if you live in a rectangular cave and you have what is known as a bookshelf, sometimes on the edge of the wall, the bookshelves want to lean forward, and you don't want that. These are great. Get a couple things of fish cake, nom nom nom, you know. Kamaboko goes really good in udon. Anyways, put one here and one here, and it'll make it so your bookshelf isn't leaning forward. I save these things, they're really useful. Actually, I'm using this one as a spoon rest. Just a small block of wood with so many uses. It's great. Makes me happy all the live long day, let me tell you. But yeah, this is almost done, I think. But yeah, this is the last review I'm doing today. I might make bread tomorrow. I was gonna make bread today, but it's too late. If I start making bread now, it takes like 3 hours and 20 minutes, and that'd be like 5:40, and it would be dark, so I couldn't do like glamour shots after it cooled down and everything. So, no, I'm gonna have to wait I'll have to wait. Waiting will happen, so. But yeah, I'm gonna make some mee goreng bread, I think. I don't know. I used to make a lot more bread, but I just don't know. Kids were out for the holidays. And there was the snow. And now there's the sick. And a bunch of schools in this district have just been shut down for in-person learning. So that may happen again. I'm sure there's a lot of people that are really freaked out about that. God, I got into a thing with, what was that about? Oh, I mentioned that it was a snow day in like the local Facebook group. Because I had just gotten a thing and I didn't see anything about it, so I posted it. Of course, later everybody knew about it. But this one lady was like, I can't believe they would do this, and blah 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 blah, and just totally Karening out. It was like horrible. Horrible. Let's give this a try. Noodle is so-so. Scrambled egg. Okay, where's the wonton? Wonton, hello. Okay, well, that's more egg. And that was more egg too. Or I don't know what to say. Yeah. Not exceedingly, it's kind of got a funky back on it too. Not impressed. But I just did the unboxing of this month's, or the January 2022 Zen Pop box, which if you really want to see it, you could. I'm sure the March one's already here and been pushed out. But that one, wow. Very nice. Now there were good ones in this. That one looks like it's got a lot of potential. Oh, and what have we here? A massive slice of chashu. Now I'm gonna try to direct old Sparky that away. Get on the lens? No. Okay, we figured a workaround. Alright. No funk on the lens. I love it. Makes me happy. Alright. Cool. Good. Sweet. It's the old bell for the Ramen Egg Express coming your way. I made this egg maybe like 3 hours ago? Maybe? I really don't know. Good enough. Ah, now you're tipping over in my hand. Don't you tip over in my hand now. Ooh. Alright, so we got the egg, we got the we're gonna do the rest of my spring onion. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm not entirely impressed with this one. It's interesting, but it's just not doing it for me. And my mung bean sprouts are shot, so that ain't happening. Ooh. My mung bean sprouts are shot. That's good. Rotato. Well, I'm all like sniffly and snorty and full of gunk, so I'll put on my smoothness. All right, thanks for coming and watching my little show today. Thank you to Zen Pop for sending this on over. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.